Hi guys, I am Giona and I'm the founder of Organization for Youth Empowerment. I'm 17 and I live in New Delhi, India. So I have taken up this 1 minute habit challenge wherein I'll talk about some sustainable habits that I practice personally and share with you guys so that we can take some little steps towards a better change. So my habits are centered around studying because we are students. So there are some sustainable studying hacks or tips that you all can practice, and I do practice them on a personal level. So first is actually using notebooks like these, which are refillable. You can just, when it just ends, you can just replace the pages. So it's just easy to deal with and it reduces your waste consumption on notebooks and rough work. Also, make sure to use papers which are green and has a green label. These are actually like a bit expensive than the normal paper you get, but these are definitely more environment friendly, and there are proper certifications for making green paper. Also, just to reduce the paper consumption, you can also use a whiteboard like this for most of your rough work, so you don't really need to buy notebooks over and over and over again and then they end up in garbage. So just use these whiteboards for your rough work. Also, you can use your Kindle or any other online PDFs or any other online material for reading rather than buying, or go for second-hand books. Either you can download some online books or you can go for second-hand books. So just avoid using new books or buying new books. Also, another tip I would like to share is using jute or hemp files rather than the plastic files we get. Hemp is a carbon neutral crop, so yeah, instead of using a plastic file, and these are actually more durable and they stay with you. They come with a zip and it's really cheap too. And you can even make your own cloth file like I have made here. It is made from my old shirt, and you can just personalize it if you want from the inside of it. And these are way better than those plastic thin files we get in the market. And the last tip I would like to share is that just avoid any kind of plastic consumption from pens. So I have this one pen with me and I have like refills. So instead of like buying pens again and again, I buy refills and I do refill my pen. So I'm using one pen body, so that in turn reduces my plastic consumption. These were some of my sustainable study tips. Also, beside these, you can always unfold your creative side and do something like a DIY or a recycling project in your home with just minimal materials. That would not only reduce your waste consumption, but also you'll be more creative, and it's a good way of exploring the more of your creative side. As you can see here, I have recycled coconut shells into planters, and also a waste tube which was of a soap into a kind of holder thing, and a sock into a plush doll which can be given to pets. So that was my 1 minute habit. Thank you so much.